Kamachielo e kaunti ma Nairobi ka en gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ochopo e nyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate kama oduoke penjo e wi tiyo kod omenda mago mag dongruok e iko omenda mar 2022-2023. Moko kuom penjo mokwako Sakaja gin chudo mago mag gope kaunti mane oyudo e apisi kawuok bilion 118 nyaka bilion 86 nyaka sani. Kata kamano, olero ni loko lai mag chudo e yore manyasani osemedo yuto ne kaunti kawuok bilion 10 nyaka bilion 13.8 e iko omenda.
We have seen them year on year appropriating some money through the National Assembly to settle those bills. So the pace is not quick, and that delays handing over. And even when I said we have no stalled projects, if you look at what I've listed, a lot of them are what had remained under NMS that is now being brought back to us, and then before my time. Yeah? But within our time, all projects have been funded. Further to that, Senator Chair, there are no projects that we have said should not be completed from previous administrations. It will be a great disservice to Nairobians if the second governor abandons all the projects initiated by the first governor. And then the third governor, now you know we've had a few in Nairobi, that I say I didn't like the previous one and I leave his projects. Chair, we started with Governor Kidero's projects that were not concluded. The one which is really for me a painful one is the rehabilitation center.